Legal practice materials cover a wide array of resources that provide practical guidance, model forms, checklists, and other resources geared towards practitioners. This video will provide a brief overview of two illustrative practice materials. First, Wright Miller's Federal Practice and Procedure, and second, the Handbook on Evidence for West Virginia Lawyers. This video will conclude by providing leads on numerous other practice materials. Wright Miller's Federal Practice and Procedure provides comprehensive treatment of federal civil and criminal procedure, including exhaustive commentary on all rules and practical practice dimensions. Model forms also are included. Wright and Miller is available on Westlaw. To access the resource, begin typing Wright and Miller. We then see a table of contents for the resource that we could browse. We, however, opt to conduct a keyword search. We are interested in practice regarding Rule 12b-6. So we search for 12b-6 and failure to state a claim. We then select an on-point entry, motions to dismiss, practice under Rule 12b-6. We then have extensive information on this topic. Updated October 2020. And at over 1,000 pages, extensive case citations are included. The Handbook on Evidence for West Virginia Lawyers provides detailed treatment on the rules of evidence geared towards West Virginia practice. The handbook is available on Lexis. To access the resource, select State, West Virginia, and then scroll down to secondary sources and select the Evidence Handbook. We then see the table of contents that we opt to browse. We are interested in hearsay, so we select Chapter 8, Hearsay and Extrajudicial Statements. Then, Hearsay Defined. And lastly, 1, Nature of Hearsay. We then find information on this topic with citations below to West Virginia state and federal law. Under source information, we find that this entry was updated November 2020. Note that this coverage of practice materials was select and illustrative only. Numerous other niche federal and state practice materials exist, such as Moore's Federal Practice on Lexis, American Jurisprudence Proof of Facts, Causes of Action, and many dedicated model forms collections, both litigator and transactional centered. Please contact law library staff members with additional questions on these resources.